Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Angel, back for a quick video. Today we're talking about copyrighted music, and yes, as a lawyer, I'm very familiar with copyrighted music, and I get this question asked a lot. Where do I get my music from? How do you find copyright free music? So I'm going to be sharing what I use and how I use it. So first off, let's address the issue. Using copyrighted music can cause a ton of issues. One, you can get music removed from your videos if it's copyrighted. That's happened on TikTok so much over the years. It's even happened to me, and you live and learn. You can also lose monetization on videos if you use copyrighted music as well, which again has happened to me, like with our wedding video, like our first dance that we did. And actually the video has done extremely well on YouTube, thousands and thousands of views, but we have not made a penny from it because it was copyrighted music. So copyrighted music can cause you a ton of headaches and a ton of problems. So I am going to tell you guys what I do now to cause less headaches and less issues. The number one thing is just using royalty-free music. There are a ton of ways to use and find royalty-free music. There are websites out there. You can also use internal libraries of like platforms like YouTube library of music or Facebook library of music, but I've run into issues with those as well. For instance, I have used Facebook internal library of music, and then come a year or so later, they're like, oh, well, the music's copyrighted. I'm like, it was from your library. That's happened on a number of videos. So lessons learned. I just don't rely on their internal libraries anymore. I don't know what happens internally or what in the world. I just stop. What has caused me less issues and less headache when it comes to music and royalty-free music is just using a third-party platform that I can use on all social media platforms across the board. So pretty much the route I go is I use a company called Epidemic Sound, and they have been game-changing for me and my business. So if you guys don't know, I am on all the platforms. I'm very active on all the platforms, and I post across all platforms, and I have a pretty large following on every platform. So one of my issues was what's going to make my life easier. Instead of using the internal libraries, which I don't trust anyway anymore, I just used the third party called Epidemic Sound, and that way I have covered my bases. I can use the same piece of music for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook as well. That cuts down on my headaches and my problems when it comes to music, and I've been using them for years, and I've been incorporating this same music across all the platforms for a long time too now. So I can tell you all the issues, the good and the bad. I have run into maybe one or two issues, but it's a lot less than what I have in the past compared to using other music or internal libraries and all that stuff. It's just the route I go now, and it's worth every penny. It has saved me a lot of headaches. I can easily repurpose, because if y'all don't know, I'm all about repurposing. I have a ton of videos out there on this channel about repurposing. I'm the queen of repurposing, so definitely check those out. But I can repurpose and use music across all the platforms and not have issues. I've had one issue, I think, where one piece of music said on one platform, I think it was Facebook. Facebook is always the headache. Said it was copyrighted. You can always repeal it and just say, hey, I got it from Epidemic Sound and blah blah blah. But that's the only one issue I've ran into. But compared to the issues, the other routes, I've not had any issues. So this is the route I go. I still continue to do it, and I have not run into issues lately at all. So that's the first reason why I love using Epidemic, is because I don't have to keep re-editing videos. Because y'all, it was a point in time a couple years ago, I would have to use Facebook music for their videos, use YouTube music for their videos. So I was re-editing videos, and that so time consuming. That was years ago. Again, now I don't. One, it cuts down on time because I can use that same piece of content across the board on all the platforms with the same music and not have issues. Another thing I like too is you can get unlimited downloads. So I have actually downloaded a lot of music to my phone. If I'm posting a video, I kind of already know what music I'm going to put to it, and it's already in my libraries. It's really handy. And they also have an app so that it makes it easy to download right on your phone. You can find music on your phones and download directly to your phone, so you can put it to your videos, whether they're short videos or your reels and stuff like that. So I found Epidemic to be the best bet for me and my business and how I run, and to save me a lot of time and a lot of headache. In addition, they also not only have music, but they have sound effects. which is also really cool because if you notice in our YouTube videos, most of the time we have some type of sound effect. So it's really awesome too that you can download sound effects right from there too. Again, no issues with those. You can also make playlists, which you can randomly play around your house, because I cannot tell you how many times I've come across music that I love. It's just like I have a playlist called Jamming Music, and it's like music that I just play because it's just some really hot music and I like listening to it. So you can also make playlists and listen to music whenever you feel like it. As far as how much Epidemic sound costs, it's not expensive. They have plans usually ranging between $9 and $15 a month, so you can sign up for that plan depending on if you do monthly or yearly. And for me, that's just not a lot compared to how much money I was losing on copyrighted issues or issues I was having with copyrighted music, and how much less of a headache it is. So for me, it's just like a no-brainer. I pay that and it cuts down on my copyrighted issues when it comes to music and being able to use it on all the platforms. Because just imagine, like with one of my videos, I think it has maybe a couple 100,000 views on it. I have not been able to make no money from it. Zero. Okay, for me, I'm not losing money. I'm actually gaining money because I get to make money on my videos by using the royalty-free music. And it's very like contemporary. You can search tons of styles. They have every style you can think of, from Christmas and holiday music to dreamy music, romantic, jazz. They have classicals, comedic type music. The variety is amazing. They have everything you could possibly need to use. So I really enjoy their library as well, because I've done a couple funny videos, and so I use a lot of the funny type music behind it. I love the variety and the ease of repurposing materials across all the platforms. So lots of reasons why I love it. I wanted to share that with y'all because I get asked that a lot about my music, and there's my gym. I will leave a link below for you guys. So if you do want to sign up, they have a free trial. Just click the link below and you do get a free trial that you can use it, see how you like it, play around with it. And if you see that you like it and you want it, make sure to sign up for it. And like I said, it's a business expense anyway. So if you didn't know that, if you are a business or you're becoming a business, that is part of your business expenses, paying a subscription fee for your music in your videos. So it's not super expensive, and it has been worth every penny for sure. So there you go. There's your answer. So if you guys want to join, make sure to click that link and start your trial. Give it a try. See how you enjoy it. So if you guys got questions, drop me a comment below in the video. Thank you all for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you guys in my next video.